Section 2.1, a set is a collection of things. Things in a set are called elements or members. Capital letters are used to name a set. Word descriptions can be used or a roster method. For example, W equals the days of the week. That's a description. W equals, okay, that curly looking thing is for sets, which means things that are in a group. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, it should have a close. Write a word description for P equals Washington, Adams, Jefferson, Madison, Monroe. P would be the first 5 presidents of the United States. Write the roster for C, the set of U.S. coins that are less than 25 cents. That would be penny, nickel, dime. Since it said less than, that doesn't include the quarter. Set builder notation. We have A and then our open set notation, X, such that X is a month that begins with the letter M. So that would be March, May. N, the open set notation, X, such that X is a positive odd number less than 10. N would be 1, 3, I forgot the number 5. N would be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Sometimes a list is tedious to write out, and we use dots. The dots mean keep going. L is a set, X such that X is a lowercase letter in the English alphabet. So A, B, C, D, and it would keep going through Z, but we don't want to write all that out. That's a lot. The empty set has no elements. X such that X is a fawn that speaks. Okay, there's no such thing as a fawn that speaks. That's an animal. X is more than 10 and less than 4. A number can be both. Okay, so nothing in the set curly things. A 0 through a line through it, those means empty set. Okay, that next symbol that kind of looks like an E means something is an element of a set. With a line through it means something is not an element of a set. Okay, so 5 is an element of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, but 5 is not an element of 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, it is an element, not an element of the set. Natural numbers are counting numbers, like counting desks or students, and we use the capital letter N. If A is natural numbers less than 5, then A would be 1, 2, 3, 4. If B is natural numbers greater than or equal to 25, the or equal to would mean include 25 and go up. So we can't name the largest number, so that's why we use the ... Okay, if E is the set of x's so that they're natural numbers, and x is even. So that would be 2, 4, 6, 8, and then they would keep going. Okay, how about x such that it's a natural number and less than 4? So that would be 1, 2, 3. Okay, x is a natural number and x is less than or equal to 4. The or equal to would tell us to include 4. X is a natural number and it's between 4 and 8. Okay, it doesn't have the or equal to, so that means we're not including 4 and 8. We're just including 5, 6, 7. What about x is a natural number? And we have the or equal to for 4, so 4 is included, but it just says x is less than 8, so 8 is not included. So that means just you're counting numbers up until 7. Okay, what if we have the natural numbers and 4 is not included because it doesn't have the or equal to, but if 8 has the or equal to, it is included. So that would be 5, 6, 7, 8. The or equal to means include 8. X is a natural number and bigger than 5. So that means you start at 6. You're counting numbers bigger than 5. Dot, 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 because they would keep going to get bigger. X is a natural number and greater than or equal to 5. Or equal to 5 means include 5. So start at 5 and get bigger. Cardinality is the number of elements of a set, not including repeats. Okay, so A has 4 things. Its cardinality is 4. So we also can write in parentheses A equals 4. That means the number of elements in A. Okay, what about B is just the number 0. Its cardinality is 1. Okay, what about C? 13, 14, 15 through 23. Okay, the best thing to do is to write that out and then count them. Okay, write out the whole thing, 13 to 33, 13 to 23. And then count. Okay, the empty set has 0 items in it. A finite set is an empty set, or the number of items in the set is a certain number. Okay, what does that mean? It doesn't keep going. Okay, an infinite set keeps going. Like if you say the number's bigger than 0, that would keep going. Equal sets can contain exactly the same elements. Okay, so A and B have the same letters, just rearranged. We would say A equals B. Okay, what if we said X such that X plus 5 equals 7? We would do our algebra and see that X equals 2. Is 40 an element of the numbers 5 through 25? That is false because 40 is not between 5 and 25. Okay, is 17 an element of 1, 3, 5, 7, dot, 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 25? Yes, because that would be your odd numbers, and 17 would be in the middle there. Okay, what about 17 as an element of 2, 4, 6, dot, 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 30? That's false because those are even numbers, and 17 is odd. Okay. Now, on this one, it says 10 is not an element. That's true because it's not an element. Okay, 10 is not in between 1 and 8. So 10 is not an element. That's a true statement.